Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to track your Temu order in real time. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have already ordered items off of Temu. How do you actually go ahead and track your order? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log onto your Temu account. Next, you're going to click on Orders and Account, and then click on your orders. Afterwards, what you want to do is that you want to find the package that you want delivered and then click on Track. So here's an example of an order that I made, and you can see that the delivery is 4 to 10 business days, and it's going to be delivered between March 13th and March 20th. As far as the shipping details go, you can see that it's currently in transit. So it's in transit to the airport warehouse. It arrived at the airport for departure, and right now it's still in transit. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and track your order on Temu in real time. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.